Isn't that great? I love that, the little trailers underneath up there.
The total 10.
Oh, look at the welding. That's cool.
See the trolley stuff.
Nice. They focused all the fairgrounds are all along the train track because it was easy to travel. So they parked the animals, they had the cages, like that one, I guess. Yeah, exactly. And so they put them on the train all over the country. They like stop. They had they used to be like the freak show. You know, it's like see the lady with 2 heads, cow with 5 legs.
The Fairplex Garden Railroad. We hope you enjoyed your visit today. If you enjoyed and appreciate what you have seen, is there anything?
Yeah, I just got he was just giving me some pointers. Don't move around real quick. Move very, very slowly. And the screaming child's in the video. Unfortunately, it just recorded my sarcastic comment.
Organic farm. Look at the wharf. That's pretty cool. It's all lit up. Oh, they got a boat float around there. there's a boat right over there. Well, maybe that's a trolley. Oh, there's seaplanes over there on the far side. And there's a dump truck. Yeah, that's like amazing. You get that kind of scale, you know? Yeah. Right time of year. The old whistle stop.